Next therapy, milieu therapy. Main milieu therapy means environmental therapy. Milieu therapy means like a environmental therapy. See why environmental therapy want to provide to the patient means because the patient mood is a depression, otherwise stress, anxiety, anger, so many difficult having into the patient. That time we can provide to the good environment therapy to the patients. Here, therapeutic milieu is an environment that is structured and maintained as an ideal dynamic setting in which to work with the clients. Whenever you work, nurses, whenever working with the clients, that time you can change up the structurally, means surrounding structure and maintaining of the good ideas and dynamic changes, like you can keep trees like a full peaceful hair, like this total you can maintaining of the surrounding structure to the working or to the patients. And that time what happened, like that you providing of structurally maintaining of the good environment means they will also easily they will cooperating with the nurses, they will take up the good treatment also. That's the main milieu therapy, like environmental therapy also very important to the working therapy. Next to milieu is a French word derived from. This is milieu therapy is one of the French word. That French word like a me means middle, Leo means environment. Me middle, Leo means environment. Like a middle environment. This is one of the French word. The aim of therapeutic milieu. This therapeutic milieu therapy main aim, what main aim means here? Promoting recovery in the patient and preventing of complication. You can promote to the recovery. Whatever have the patient problem, immediately this main milieu therapy aim is a recovery to the patient problem and preventing to the complications to the patient. You can sometimes you can use of the in hospital like some techniques, like what techniques, like what environment you can maintain to the in the hospital. Here main four therapeutic milieux is there, like a four elements. These elements you can use of the environment type: safe environment, trust relationship, self-esteem, limit setting. Main here safe environment. See, in case sometimes environment areas have the sharp objects, any rods, any things, whatever hazards things having is, they will patient they will get to the problem. That's why you can see up this safely you can maintain to the good environment. Here, mental health nurse work with mentally ill patient who can be dangerous to self or others. Mental health as nurses, you can work with the mental ill patient. Why means the mental health people they will get to the dangerous, otherwise they will get self dangerous, otherwise other people also will get to the dangerous to the related patients. Because sometimes they have the psychiatric problem, immediately they will do something to the others, otherwise the self only they will do get the dangerous. That's why always mental health nurses work to the mental ill patients. Next one, in order to prevent injury to the client, means you can order to prevent injury to the client. Whatever getting to the injury to the patients, immediately you can order to the safe environment. Like the good environment means easily you can prevent of the injury to the client. And environment should be safe and leads to quick recovery. Environment is very good means, and safe environment means easily your leads to the quick recovery from to the mental illness. Because of why means, see example yours also you getting irritation and some disturbance means that time you're going to the park and peaceful mind. And going to park means good environment, automatic you will recover to the sometimes. That's way here safe environment also easily recover to the quickly recover to the patients from the mental illness. And various intervention carried out by nurses. That nurses some intervention giving to the patients, like a do not allow smoking. Don't allow to the smoke to the patients. And keep hazardous objects such as keep hazardous means dangerous object is whatever dangerous is there in a near of the patient, they will they will get to the dangerous, otherwise they will throw to the on the others. Like this, that's just you can make, you can keep high to the some objectives. What that objectives means: medications, drugs, cleaning agents, sharp object, etc. away from client reach. Because of see, in sometimes medications very toxic medication, different medications. They don't know na. They immediately they will take up the medications, they will take drugs, so this and all. That time what happened? They will get to the dangerous. That's why this dangerous objectives you can hide to the patients, away from to the client. Don't keep near of the patients to the these dangerous objectives. Next to potential weapons. Potential weapons means like such as mop handle, hammers should be identified and kept away from patients. Potential weapons means like a mop handle. Mop handle means mopping stick, like a mopping sticks, hammers, this and all you can identify and you can keep to the away from the patients. And all belonging to the patient should be checked frequently. Frequently, daily you can take care of the patient. Daily you can check to the patient. Patient mind will change or not, how they have the behavior. This and all you can check to the frequently to the patients. Next, check the items brought by family members. Whatever family members means whatever brought up the family members anything, immediately you can check. Because of the family members taking any hazards objectives, any weapons, means the patient will get suffer now. That's why you can check total to the whatever brought of the family members. The next, trust relationship. Trust relationship very important to the between nurse and patient. Here, developing trust is one of the important functions of mental health nurse. This one of the very important to the mental health nurses, and trust help building confidence of the patient. Yes or no? In case I am trusting to students, means what happened? I will maintain of the good communication. Because of I'm trusting to students, that's why I will nicely will maintain of the communication. Your skills also will improve, yours also developing, because oh madam will trust me, that's why I won't do any mistakes. Like that you will think now. Here also trust helps building confidence of the patient. The patient confidence growing to the related trust also. Like the trust helping to the patient confidence growing, which is very important aspect of any treatments used in the mental health setting. In whenever using of the mental health, whenever using of the mental health setting within the hospital, otherwise whenever providing of the mental health care, that time also very important to the trust relationship. Next, nurses should develop trustworthy relationship. Worthly means values. That nurses should be developed to the their only nurses developing of the good values of the trust relationship with the client, with the patient or family members. That nurses also will maintaining of the trust relationship to the patient and the family members. That time whenever maintaining of means automatic family members also very happy. They are also very energetic and patient also very peaceful, and they also get the like a normally, like the trust relationship also changing and helping to the immediately abnormal behavior. Next, self-esteem. Self-esteem means like a self activities, like a self values, how to will maintain up the self values. Here, self-esteem is also very important aspect in the mental health setting. Means whenever you want to prepare to the related mental illness peoples, that time also a self-esteem very important to the particular time. And which is a generally decrease in patient with mental illness. Whoever have the mental illness, the self-esteem is the decreasing of the problem. Because of why means you can encourage to the patient, you can maintain self-values, you can maintain self-confidence, self-respect, be happily, means don't worry, like that. Just you can give to the guidance to the patient. Automatic, they will also maintaining of the self-esteem, they will decrease of the mental illness. And nurse help the patient to improve in. Oh, okay. Sorry. Okay, nurses should develop sorry. Nurses help the patient to improve the in self-esteem with the small but important intervention. That nurses main helpful to the improve to the self-esteem to the patients. How means some important intervention have in the self-esteem, like a Assign the task which can be easily completed by the client. You can assess to the patient how they will complete of the task, easily completing or not, like this and all you can observe. See, some patients will easily will complete of the task. Why? Means self-esteem, self-values, they're using of the self-skills, they're using of the self-confidence. That's why they're easily sometimes they will complete of the task. That's why nurses you can observe in the particular task time to the patient. Next, do not allow him to face frequent failure. Don't allow to the any failure to the patient. Once failure get him means they will get to the depression. They will feel badly. That's why don't allow to the any failure task. Next, give adequate appreciation and completion of assigned task. Whenever giving task to the patient, you can appreciate, you can encourage to the patient because of in case no encouraging, no support means nobody will move any places now. That's way you can appreciate to the patient, you can complete task. Okay, do like that. Just you can encourage, you can appreciate to the patient, they will complete of the task. Next, allow him to take decision as per his condition. You can allow, you can give to the take decision to the patient, like a related condition. Severe psychiatric problem is that them don't allow to the any decision. Means normal conditions means you can allow the decisions you can take like to the, you can give to the patients like a selfly you can take up decision. That related condition only you can allow the particular decision to the patients. Next, limit setting. Say sometimes don't crossing limits means you will get to the means you will get to the problem. That's why main nurses between nurse and patient don't cross to the any limits. Here, limit setting on the part of a patient as well as nurses important. Means whenever limit setting part, that time patient as well as nurses also important in the in limit time. And patient and nurses should be aware of their limitation in dealing with care in mental health setting. Whenever providing of the care, that time related care you can deal with the patient only. But that much not only about care only you can deal with the patient. Otherwise, you can dealing something means that is not a limit. That time they'll cross up the limits to the nurses and patient. Only related care only you can deal with the patient. That is a limit setting. This is a milieu therapy. Next, behavioral therapy. See, behavioral therapy or behavioral modification. Behavioral therapy also called as behavioral modification is a psychological technique. This whoever giving behavioral therapy to the psychiatric patient, that like one of the psychological technique. This one of the psychological technique and based on the premise that specific. Premise means particularly specifically you can use of the behavior therapy. When you use means observable. You can observe to the patient condition and maladaptive. Whoever adapted to the abnormal behavior, whoever adjusting like a badly, whoever have the self-destructive means self-abnormal behavior, this under modify learning you. Just you can learn to the about the patient what they have the problem. This under you can learn after you can start of the behavior therapy to the patients like a more appropriate behavior to replace them. You can appropriate to the behavior, whatever they have the normal behavior before, like that only you can use of the some techniques in the behavior therapy, you can replace of the normal behavior to the patients. Next, indications. Which time you providing of the behavior therapy means substance abuse. Whoever adapted to the alcohols and drugs like a caffeine, cocaine, like this different drugs and alcohols have na, that time whoever adapting, that time you can give to the behavior therapy, they will change of the behavior and they will stop of the substance like stopping of the alcohols and the drugs. Next, aggressive behavior. They have the very worst aggressive behavior. Whoever have the like this aggressive behavior, that time immediately you can start the behavioral therapy and anger manage time. So anger means whoever have the full angry time, that whenever giving management to the angry time, that time also you can start up the behavior therapy. Why doing like this? Why you getting angry? Any problem like this? Some questions you can ask. You can start up the behavior therapy to the patient. Next, eating disorders. Eating disorders, I will tell two types of eating disorder: anorexia nervosa, bulimia nervosa. Anorexia nervosa means loss of appetite irritated, not eating properly, means loss of appetite, means lack of food to the psychiatric patient. That is a anorexia nervosa. Bulimia nervosa means binge eating. Binge eating means 24 hours they will eat, morning to up to evening, continually eating. That is one of the psychiatric disorders in the eating disorders. Like this, you can change up the behavior. Why you eating like this? Why not eating? Why that much? So many hours continue eating like that. You can ask some questions. You can change up the behavior. And phobia, fear. Phobia means fear. Some people have the water phobia, and the next to height phobia, and some snakes phobia, animals phobia. Different phobias have. That time you can change up the behavior to the phobia type. And anxiety disorders. Some people have the common anxiety disorders. Incontinence. They can't control. In case urine, they're only means intentionally they know, but they're only passing up the urine. Means not controlling. No bladder control, no bowel control, anything. Whatever they have the in mind also, they'll immediately they will tell to the outside, like incontinence, not controlling. And insomnia, lack of sleep. Like this, whoever have the problem, that time we can provide to the behavior therapy, it can change up these indications. Next, behavioral modification techniques. How do we can change up the behavior? Like you can use up the some techniques. Here, there are a number of different techniques used in the behavioral therapy to help patients change their behaviors. Means the number of different techniques. Why means, see, different patients na, like that also different behavior techniques also we can use to the, it can helpful to the patient change of their behaviors. Like how means, first technique, behavioral homework assignment. Behavioral homework assignment means in home time also sometimes we can give to the some assignment. See, now you are going to went home now. That time we don't have any class, no assignment. What happened? Your behavior like a lazy behavior, and so full adapting to the like a lazy. That time I'm giving assignment and homework means like you become a behavior like a positively like a means actively will get to the your behavior also. That's why in whoever have the abnormal behavior, that time sometimes you can provide to the homework assignments. Here, the therapist often requests that the patient complete homework assignment between therapy sessions. Whenever you providing of the therapy session, means therapy time, automatic you can provide to the homework. This means this work you can finish within 10 minutes, within 15 minutes, like that you can give to the time limit. Immediately they will complete. Because of why means their concentration of the doing of the work assignment and homework. That time the brain also will change, and they will also get the sometimes abnormal behavior. That's why we can complete work like this. We can give to the assignments and homework. Next, this may consist of real life behavioral experiments. They will get to the real life behavior experiment. Oh, means you are observing now, whenever giving assignment, you can observe to the patient how they're doing. Means doing like a real life situation like that. We can, they will also get to the sometimes real life behavioral experiment where patients are encouraged to try new response. You can encourage to the patient, okay, like a new response means how to, like some people's new response means abnormal to normal. You can encourage to the patient, do work like that, just you can encourage, automatically they'll get to the good new response to the like a normally. And situation response to situation discuss in therapy session. In therapy time only you can discuss to the about situation. Means particular situation time, which work we will to give, means which task, means which games you want to conduct. Like this related situation also, related behavior situation also, you can connect the some therapies. That is a behavioral homework assignments. Next, contingency contracting. 1 minute. Okay, you can all of you resign for 10 minutes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Resign, I don't know. Nobody will resign immediately means I am getting angry means really I will keep absent. For Y group only very worst. X and Z very good students. They'll attending 60 members daily. Oh, daily I am encouraging Y group now. Good girls, good boys. That's why it's becoming like this lazy fellows. Okay, I will give one of the behavior therapy for yours.